Falls are a leading cause of death in older adults. Fall-related injuries such as hip fracture or head injury that requires hospitalization impose a substantial financial burden on older adults and their families. Understanding fall risk factors is the first step to reduce older adult falls. Family members and caregivers can play a very big role in preventing falls. Most falls occur at home and in the bathroom. Non-slippery floorings, using a handled shower, separate handbars near shower and toilet, a shower stool to sit on, bathroom mats with a rubberized back, and proper lighting could prevent this. Make home environment safe. Ensure there are handrails on staircases. Make sure that carpets have firm, non-slip backing and avoid cables and extension wires on the floor. Another common predictors of fall with serious injuries are abnormalities of balance and a history of fall in the past year. Exercises for maintaining balance and increasing muscle strength learned from a qualified professional are a useful way to prevent falls. After the age of 60, comprehensive eye exams are recommended at least once every 2 years for managing vision conditions and for corrective eye procedures, medications, and eyeglass prescriptions. Older people taking 4 or more medications are at a considerable risk of fall. Medication management involving changing or reducing types or dosage of medications in consultation with the healthcare provider is a must. Inappropriate mobility aids like walking sticks, canes, or crutches can lead to falls. To care for those who once cared for us is one of the highest honors.